Astrid, you're a part of our family. You always have been, and I hope you always will be.
Some days it's hard to see. If I was a fool or you a thief, made it through the maze to find my one in a million. And now you're just a page torn from the story I'm living. And all I gave you is gold. Tumble like it was gold. Thought we built a dynasty that heaven couldn't shake. Thought we built a dynasty like nothing ever made. Thought we built a dynasty forever couldn't break. It all fell down, it all fell
Is he
down.
in there? Is anyone out there?
It all fell
No.
down, it all fell down.
Astrid, you got me the greatest gift in the world. You. There will always be an